Welcome to Rising Sun Tutorials. Today our topic is antonyms. Antonyms are very important in English grammar. So let's see some of them. Enjoy, hate, enter, leave, entrance, exit, equal, different, even, odd, excited, calm, exciting, boring, exclude, include, exit, entrance, final, first. Healthy, ill, heaven, hell, heavy, light, hell, heaven, host, guest, huge, tiny, human, animal, humane, cruel, humid, dry, hungry, thirsty. Let's see some more. Flat, hilly, floor, ceiling, follow, lead, orbit, allow, form, destroy, fortune, bad luck, fresh, stale or old, harvest, plant, health, disease, include, exclude, life, death, light, dark, like, hate, little, big, little, much, live, die, long, short, lose, win. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.